The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dawson County in northeast Montana, Eastern Prairie County in northeast Montana, Richland County in northeast Montana, Wibaux County in northeast Montana, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:29 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Lambert to 8 miles northeast of Fallon, or along a line extending from 28 miles west of Sydney to 17 miles east of Terry, and were moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Lambert, Glendive, Intake, Savage, Sydney, Wibaux, and Carlisle. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight Thursday morning for northeast Montana.